Welcome friends. Most of the time we require some audio video recording and which go for a third copy software which is almost a headache. So we don't look our surroundings as we do have these software already available, but we are not noticing it. So I have a P30 mobile, P30 Lite Huawei, and it's have a screen option. I'm sure your Android, all your Android phone does have it. However, it needs to be located and it needs to be searched. So let's go to the screen and watch how we can record any audio or any video without without permission or that which is forbidden or stopped by recording. So let's jump on the screen. Now my phone is connecting to the wireless through computer. Remember, when you do recording, never connect your mobile to your PC through wireless. I mean, you can see that I have opened it and now I have pressed screen recording. This option is available at the lower bottom. You can see that is press and camera sign is available at the top of the mobile. And now we will open YouTube or whatever you would like to any browser. So if you find a video or audio if you would like to record. So now the YouTube is open. Let's search for some song. Mostly songs are prohibited or stopped from recording. You can see that the download option is crossed, so we cannot record it. However, through this means we can record even audio and video. Now we are recording it, audio, video both. You can see that the recording is continue and mobile is connected through wireless medium or simply press the down button. Now recording is once again on. It's recording and it's continue. By this means we are now recording both audio video. If you turn the mobile from sideways, so your screen will be full. The recording by that means that you are recording a full screen video. However, I'm recording this half screen just to get an understand. Now recording is stopped. Let's go for an audio. This is a video song and I need to record the audio, not video. So I'll go jump to the audio recording. You can see that the audio recording is on and I'm back to YouTube and just play it. I'll show you the audio file, the difference of both these files, so you will get understand after at the end of this that the audio and video file are both different, and even on the screen you will be able to get it. Now we are recording the audio. You can see that the small light is blinking at the top of the mobile. 30, we have already recorded 34 seconds of audio. This is the audio file. I'll also show you the video file which is after this. For the moment I have off device so you can understand it. Later on I'll show you, I'll add the voice so you may get it clear. Now the audio is done and let's go to gallery, and in gallery you can find the screen recording. This is the screen recording. We have recorded it. I have already stopped the volume just to speak you on this occasion, and I'll add the voice later on. You can see that I have stopped it and that is already recorded. Now let's check it forward and reverse. This is not web and this is my mobile, so it's already recorded. Note the down button. You can see that I can move it forward and backward. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment.